In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag teammates in Slack. Tagging ensures the right person sees your message immediately and gets a notification, so it's perfect for quick decisions and clear accountability. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. Type Slack and select the official Slack website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your workspace. Once Slack is open, choose the channel or direct message where you want the conversation to happen. Picking the right channel keeps work organized and makes your mention visible to everyone who needs the context. In the message box at the bottom, look for the @ symbol icon. Click it to bring up a list of people you can mention. You can scroll through or start typing a teammate's name to filter the list quickly. When you see the right person, click their name. You'll see their name appear in your message with the @ sign in front of it. Now write your message. Be clear and specific about what you need. Include dates, links, or files, if that will help them respond faster. For example, can you review this document by end of day? When you're ready, click the Send button to post. The person you mentioned will receive a notification and can jump straight into your message. A few helpful tips. You can also type the @ symbol followed by a teammate's name instead of clicking the icon. Slack will suggest matches as you type. If several people share a similar name, glance at the avatar or role to make sure you've chosen the right person. If your workspace uses group mentions like @here or @channel, use them sparingly so you only alert people who truly need to be notified. If a conversation starts to branch off, consider replying in a thread so the main channel stays tidy while the person you tagged still gets notified. And if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, pressing Enter sends your message, while Shift plus Enter adds a new line before sending. You'll notice the mention is highlighted, which makes it easy for others to spot. You can mention more than one teammate in the same message if several people need the same update. And if you ever tag the wrong person, just edit your message to fix it. No need to repost. That's it. You've tagged a teammate and sent a focused, actionable message. Practice this a few times and it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating in Slack.